Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, today in class 2, subject English, I am going to explain you Unit 6, Curly Locks and the Three Bears. So everyone, you can open your Marigold textbook. Let's see, everyone, you can open page number 96. There is your lesson, Curly Locks and the Three Bears. Students, in this lesson, who is Curly Locks? Curly Locks is one little girl, right? And there are three bears. B-E-A-R-S, bears, you know very well, right? Bears means हम जिसको बालू बोलते हैं वो, राइट. सो देयर इज टॉक regarding curly locks and the three bears. So let's see what happened between these curly locks and three bears, right? Students, first of all I will read the whole page and then I will explain you word to word. So everyone, you can keep your finger where teacher is reading. Once there was a girl with curly hair. Her name was Curly Locks. One day, she went into the forest near her house. She saw a cottage. Is anybody in? She asked. There was nobody. The bear family lived in the cottage. They had gone for a walk. Curly Locks went in. She wanted to see who lived there. She saw there bowls of porridge on the table. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear. Okay, now see the explanation. Students, once what happened? There was a girl with curly hair. You can see here, see, this one is the girl, right? And you can see her hair is curly. And what was her name? Her name was Curly Locks. One day, what happened? She went into the forest near her house. One day, Curly Locks went to the forest. Do you know meaning of forest? F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest means jungle, right? So one day these Curly Locks went to the forest near her house and she saw a cottage. What is the meaning of cottage? Cottage means like a hut. So वो जंगल में क्या देखती है? एक cottage देखती है. She asked, is anybody in? और वो पूछती है कि कोई है? There was nobody. The bear family lived in the cottage. So वहाँ पे कोई नहीं था और cottage में कौन रहता था? Bear family. And this bear family had went for walk. ये bear family है वो walk पे गई थी, right? And Curly Locks went in and she wanted to see who lived there. So Curly Locks went into that cottage. Why? Because he wanted to see that who lived in the cottage. And what did he see there? He saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. What is the meaning of this porridge? Porridge, P-O-R-R-I-D-G-E. Porridge means cereal boiled in water, right? दलिया जैसा आता है उसको पॉरीज बोलते हैं। सो कर्लीलॉक्स ने 3 बाउल्स देखे टेबल पे एंड देयर वॉज अ बिग बाउल फॉर पापा बियर। Students, come to next page 97. A middle size bowl for mama bear and a tiny little bowl for baby bear. ओके, सो टेबल पे 3 बाउल्स थे। बड़ा जो बाउल था वो पापा बियर का, मिडल साइज का बाउल था वो ममा बियर का, एंड जो स्मॉल बाउल था वो बेबी बियर के लिए था। Curlylocks was hungry. She ate the porridge from the big bowl. It was very hot. She ate from the middle-sized bowl. It was too cold. She ate from the tiny little bowl. It was just right. Okay, so students, what happened? Curlylocks was hungry. What is the meaning of hungry? Hungry means need for food. So Curlylocks ने क्या किया? She started to eat porridge from the bowl, and she started first from the big bowl, and it was very hot. And then she ate the middle-sized bowl, and it was too cold. Last, she ate from the tiny little bowl, and it was just right for her to eat. Okay. Curlylocks ate up all the porridge. Then she went to the bedroom. So students, what happened? Curlylocks ate all the porridge and then she went to the bedroom. And what did she see there? There was a big bed for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bed for Baby Bear. So students, what happened? बेडरूम में 3 बेड थे। बिग बेड था वो पापा बियर का, मिडल साइज बेड था वो ममा बियर का, एंड जो स्मॉल बेड था वो बेबी बियर का था। द बिग बेड वॉज वेरी hard. See here, the big bed was very hard. The middle size bed was too soft, but the tiny little bed was just right. So what happened? जो big bed था वो hard था, middle size bed था वो soft था, and little bed was just right. So Curlylocks fell asleep in the tiny little bed. सो कर्लीलॉक्स ने क्या किया? जो टाइनी लिटल बेड था वहाँ सो गई। द बियर फैमिली केम बैक। नाउ ये जो बियर फैमिली थी जो वॉक के लिए गई थी फॉरेस्ट में, वो वापस आई। नाउ व्हाट हैपन? समबडी एट माई पोरीज, शाउटेड पापा बियर इन हिज बिग ग्रफ वॉइस। सो पापा बियर अपने बिग वॉइस में क्या शाउट करते हैं कि somebody ate my porridge, somebody ate my porridge too, said mama bear. सो ममा बियर क्या कहते हैं कि somebody ate my porridge too, किसी ने मेरा porridge भी खाया है। somebody finished all my porridge, said baby bear in his tiny little voice. नाउ ये जो बेबी बियर था उसने भी क्या बोला कि किसी ने मेरा पोरीज भी फिनिश कर दिया। द बियर फैमिली वेंट टू द बेडरूम, somebody slept in my bed, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. So now bear family went to the bedroom, and Papa Bear shouted in his big voice that somebody slept in my bed, right? Next, somebody slept in my bed too, said Mama Bear. Mama Bear ने क्या बोला कि मेरे बेड पे भी कोई सोया था। Somebody is sleeping in my bed, said baby bear in his tiny little voice. सो ये जो बेबी बियर था उसने अपने टाइनी लिटिल वॉइस में क्या बोला कि कोई मेरे बेड पे सो रहा है. Curlylocks woke up. What happened? Curlylocks woke up. She saw three bears. She jumped down and ran out of the cottage as fast as she could. Okay, so Curlylocks woke up, right? वो नींद में से उठ जाती है और वो थ्री बियर्स को देखती है सामने. सो फर्स्टली शी जम्प डाउन फ्रॉम द बेड, राइट, एंड शी स्टार्टेड रनिंग एज फास्ट एज शी कुड. जितनी जल्दी हो सके उतनी जल्दी उसने रन करना, भागना स्टार्ट किया, राइट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस was your story, Curlylocks and the three bears, right? See, here you can see this bear family came from walk and Curlylocks was sleeping on the bed. So here your lesson is over. I hope you understood it. Thank you. Have a nice day.